In this video, we're going to show you how to install taillights on your Kia Sorento located on the backside of your vehicle. Here with the hatch opened up, I'm going to go ahead and locate your two Phillips head screws right here. Go ahead and grab that Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove these screws. We'll be reusing this hardware, so save those. Now, next thing you want to do is pop our taillight out. Now, right in this section right here, there's going to be two metal studs going into rubber grommets in the body. There's one here and one about here. I'm going to go ahead and just use some tape here on the painted edge because I'm going to use a trim tool and I don't want to mark up my paint at all. Now, if you're careful, you probably don't have to use tape, but it's always a good precaution. I'm going to use my plastic trim tool, get between the taillight and the body and roll it out. There it is. And the reason why we're replacing ours here is that the taillight itself was broken here on this stud. This one here popped right out. I want to go ahead and separate our harness here. So this is supposed to be attached to the bottom of our light here. This is broken. I'm going to go ahead and grab the taillight. I'm going to lean this up against me. You don't want this to fall and start dangling all over the place and mark up the vehicle. Go ahead and grab your connector. And you're going to push in on the top clip right here and separate this. Pull that out, and then you can remove the taillight. With the taillight out, and go ahead and clean everything up here. It's always a good time to do this. You don't have to do it, but it's a good time to do it if you want to. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't forget, we had that piece of plastic here that was broken on ours. I'm simply going to use a pair of pliers. All right, so go ahead and pop that out. Now, if you use tape, now is a good time to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to go ahead and take our harness here. We're going to line this up. Press that in. You should feel it and hear it snap into place. The next step is go ahead and line up these studs with these sockets here on the body. And go ahead and push that in. Just giving it a gentle tap will actually seat and secure those there. Now we can go ahead and install the two screws on this side. Go ahead and line up your screws and get those started. Once that screw bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten this and crack the plastic. So you just want those to be snug. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and repeat the same exact process for the passenger side. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.